How to create Fantasy Premier League account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to join the Fantasy Premier League from your phone, well in this video I'll show you how to create an FPL account step by step using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the FPL app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom left side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Join My PL button, and after that, you'll be prompted to the sign up page. Now here you can see different options to sign up. So from here I'm going to simply choose email. So here at the text field I'm going to simply enter my email address, and now here once I'm done entering the email address I'm going to simply tap on join with email button. And after that you simply have to enter all your credentials, and here, once you're done entering all your credential, you can simply tap, and here once you're done entering all the details, you can simply scroll down and agree to the terms and optionally check if you want to receive the newsletter or updates. And after that, you can simply tap on create an account. And after that, you can simply go to your email inbox and open the message from the FPL and tap the verification link to activate your account. And after that, you can head back to the FPL app and log in with your new credential. And now you are ready to build your team and join leagues. And that's it. That's how you can create an FPL account using just your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.